Hey, you! What are you doing?
Who are you?
Don't worry, I think I can help you.
My car has been parked for a week. Now the tires are flat, and the battery is dead. My wife's in labor. I need to change to a spare tire.
Then you are so lucky. Try this air pump I just bought.
What is this?
You open the package. Take it out. Plug in the included inflation tube. Then connect it to the tire's inflation head. Click the switch. Click again.
Wow, it started working. Whoa! It's so practical, but my car still won't start. What to do?
Don't worry, it not only inflates tires, but also charges batteries. Come and see.
How to use it?
Plug in this dedicated wire. Connect it to the car's battery. The red clip connects the positive pole. The black clip connects the negative pole. Okay, you get in the car and start now.
Wait for me.
Let's see how this works.
Wow, started successfully. Really useful. I want to buy it too. Do you have a link?
I've put the link below the video. There are Black Friday promotions available. No postage required. Not much inventory. Buy it quickly.
Okay, I'm going to buy one now. So great.